Hi, this is Sri and you must be noob. This lab guide is on how to configure custom band passwords list for Microsoft Entra ID password protection. Users often create passwords that use common local words such as a school, sports team, or famous person. These passwords are easy to guess and weak against dictionary-based attacks. With password protection, default global band password lists are automatically applied to all users in Microsoft Entra ID tenant. There's nothing to enable or configure and can't be disabled. This global band password list is applied to users when they change or reset their own password through Microsoft Entra ID. To enforce strong passwords in your organization, the custom band password list let you add specific strings to evaluate and block. When users change or reset their passwords, these band password lists are checked to enforce the use of strong passwords. A password change request fails if there is a match in the custom band password list. To enable this custom band password list and add entries to it, access Microsoft Entra Admin Center using an account with Global Administrator permissions. Click on Go to ID Protection. You can also directly click on Protection and select Authentication Methods from there. Under Manage menu, select Password Protection. Set the option for Enforce Custom List to Yes. Add strings to the custom band password list, one string per line. In the custom band password list, specify your own custom passwords you like to ban. Let me specify the entries. Few consideration and limitations apply to the custom band password list. The custom band password list is limited to a maximum of 1000 entries. It is not designed for blocking extremely large list of passwords. The minimum string length is 4 characters and the maximum is 16 characters. If mode is set to enforce, users will be prevented from setting banned passwords and the attempt will be logged. If it is set to audit, the attempt will only be logged. In this lab, I'll set the mode to enforce. To enable the custom band passwords and your entries, select Save. It may take several hours for updates to the custom band password list to be applied. To see the custom band password list in action, try to change the password to a variation of one of that you added in custom band password list. When Microsoft Entra ID tries to process the password change, the password is matched against an entry in the custom band password list. An error is then displayed to the user account. Open New in Private window in web browser. Access My Account page using one of the Microsoft Entra ID user account. Under Password, click on Change Password. On the Change Password page, enter the existing old password. Enter and confirm a new password that is on the custom band password list you defined earlier. Let me show you the password. It is Meta@369. Click on Submit to change the user password. An error message is returned that tells you the password has been blocked by the administrator. It will show the error. Unfortunately, you can't use that password because it contains words or characters that have been blocked by your administrator. Please try again with a different password. A user's password change request is failed because there is a match in the custom band password list. In this lab, you have learned how to configure custom band password list for Microsoft Entra ID password protection. That's all for this lab guide. Stay tuned for more videos like this. See you all in the next lab guide.